Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how you can install Arduino IDE in your Windows or Linux machine. So just go to Google and search for Arduino IDE. And once the search is completed, you just go to the first link, that is www.arduino.cc software. Just go to that link. Then you will see these many options, that is download options for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. So since we are going to download for Windows, I'll just click on Windows 10 and newer. If you're having any other OS installed in your machine, just select that OS. I'll just be clicking on Windows, and then after just click on just download, and after you clicked on it, you will see your download. You have downloaded the Arduino IDE. Then just go to that folder and then just double click on it. So all these terms and condition, you just say I agree, and it will say please whether you wish to make the software available to all users or just yourself. So I'll say anyone who uses this computer, I'm going to give this access. So I'll just say next, and now it will be opening up in Arduino IDE. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I'll say yes, and again I have to agree terms and conditions, and this is the location where it is going to be installed. So I'll say install. Please wait while Arduino IDE is being installed. So our Arduino IDE is being installed. So once this status bar is completed till the end, our Arduino IDE is full installed, and the version is 2.0.3. So this is how you set up your Arduino IDE in your Windows machine, and same goes for Linux and Mac OS if you're having that operating system. So we'll just wait till this goes to the end. Once the status bar is finished, you'll see this kind of window opening up, that is completely completing Arduino IDE setup. And if you want to run the Arduino IDE, just click on this check mark that run Arduino IDE and just say finished, and you will see an Arduino IDE opening up in a while.